Let me show you how to clean a table on top of another table. So in here you have table T1 already, but you actually don't need a lot of columns. So for example, if you can you need this one, of course, the year, this one the month, and then this one the value. But then these two actually I don't see any application for it as of now. So I want to clean or to remove it to a clean view. So this one I can do by either adjust this expression, or I just make another table on top of this table. So meaning that later, if assuming that I want to reuse those column, I don't have to rewrite the whole thing. So I keep it like this, and then I will make another table. So in here, new table, and then I T2 clean. Okay, so I will select use the select columns to from T1. Okay, so now you can see the T1, T2 is very helpful because I will just type T1 and T2 and then the whole thing comes out. I don't have to type the T1 underscore values. I type T1 only. Okay, so the first thing I want to select is the time. uh, fy, and then if you want to get rid of the fy, you can remove the time, but let me start with time fy first, and then later I show you how to remove. I bind it to the fy, original fy. So in here you can see what does it say. It says that uh, can you select the column time fy in the output table here, and from the original time fy of the table T1. Okay, so assuming that you don't like the word time in front of the fy, you can just get rid of it, and then you can see here time fy in here already. I do the same thing with the value of the original value table in here, and you can see the value comes out in this table. Now if I want to change this column to amount, for example, I just change amount in here. You can see here the amount. So what does it say? It says that can you select the column value in uh, table T1, and then renames the column into amount. Actually, you can select that same column, but you can rename many times. So let me show you amount, uh, the same, or order, uh, and then value in here. And then the two of them, they are actually the same guys. So if you difference these two table, they are actually the same guy, but then uh, the names will be different. They are actually the same. Okay, so then the last one I want to do here is just to take the time YMBY, and then I bind to the original uh, YMBY here. Okay, so this one is a little bit long, and then I want to break it down into rows like this, so that you can see the regularity in the expression. Okay, so that is this is not regular. It's not regular anymore. Okay, so in here you can see that uh, this is the original table, which is T1, and then this is the new table, which is T2. And then in table T2, I have more columns in here. Fy, and then amount, and then amount order, and then time RMBY. So you can choose to rename the tables, you can rename the columns, and then you can choose to choose the column you want. You don't have to choose everything. So if you switch in here, you can see like value here and time, year, month, day here. But then in here, you don't see them anymore because you only select the column you want. Okay, so this is all about this exercise, just to use the select column on top of a table, and then you can select the different column with the new names you want.